Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group A. We would like to present about e-commerce model and website plan for laundry business, Seven Laundry. Next. For the introduction, the laundry business, Seven Laundry is based near Sukabiras, Bojong Soang, Bandung, and has traditionally operated offline. By taking the business online, we can expand our reach to a larger customer and business professionals. This transition provides a more convenient experience, allowing customers to book services, make payments, and track their orders online. Next.
Okay, the e-commerce business model. The business model is B2C, or business to consumer model, directly serving individual customers through the website. And for the value proposition is convenient laundry service with online booking, payment, and tracking. For the revenue model, we have pay per service. Customers pay for each laundry order based on weight or bundle. And for the subscription model, we can have monthly or weekly subscription option for regular laundry services. And for the key activities, service processing and delivery, and also customer support via chat and phone. Next. The target audience is the first we have students, which is Telkom University students in Sukabirus Bojong Soang and surrounding Telkom areas as well. And for the working professional that has busy schedules who value convenience, and for the families who require regular laundry service but prefer a hassle-free options. Next.
Okay, so this is our proposition for the website. So the features that we will have or we want to propose is firstly, the ease of the customer to navigate through the website. For example, clear call to action buttons like book now or view services. Also, we want to add the chat support so customers can ask questions to be answered by the business. And next. And this is our website's order form. So after the customer navigates through the services that they want to take, they are navigated into the order form, which they will fill their name, their address for the pickup service, the phone number and email, etc. And also they can choose the time or the date they want to pick up the laundry and also the detergents. Next.
Okay, for our marketing strategy, the first one, SEO, optimize the website to appear in search results for laundry services in Sukabirus Bojong Soang, and then social media marketing like Instagram, TikTok, and regular program, over discount or free services for referring new customers. Okay, conclusion. Moving the laundry businesses online will improve customer convenience and increase market reach. Website feature include easy service booking, secure payment, order tracking, and customer support. A strong marketing strategy will attract consumer and ensure business growth. And the last, the laundry business can become convenient and modern solution for the local community.
Okay, thank you very much. That is all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.